from Milesight product marketing team. And today we have a special guest, Shona.
Hi everybody, this is Shona and it's very glad and honored to be here.
Yes, so Shona is our product manager. So today she will share something about our products, new products in season 1. Let's get started.
Okay, so actually I feel excited about all of these products. No matter this IoT display for the information display.
Yes, and for paperless application.
Yes, and of course there are 2 mini mighty products. Yes, and there are 3 professional distance detector for the distance detection, okay?
Yeah.
And you can pick any one you like. And of course, there is a point product here, the mini size, low power consumption, but high performance router, okay?
Yeah.
It's very offer you a stable 4G connection, but consume very low power. And it's very interesting, right?
Yeah, it is. It is for this one.
Yes.
And we still got one more. What's that?
Oh, you got the point too.
Yeah,
you got another point.
Yeah.
So we are talking about the sensing environment all the time, but the application also matters a lot. And this time we bring in the sensing camera for the application sensing. So this is an innovative idea actually. And if you want to know more,
You should
watch our video.
Hello, I'm Sophia from Milesight product marketing team. It's so great to see you guys here. And we know that these years we benefit a lot from the development of sensing technology. So that is why today here, we really want to and have to share with you the latest information of Milesight. But before we start, please notice that here are some advanced statements. Firstly, the new details of the products are not finalized yet, so there will have some potential inevitable changes, but don't worry, we will keep updating this information and let you know. Alright, and the secondly is, if there is any question or products you are interested in, just feel free to contact us or tell us in the comments, so we can figure it out together. Now, let's see what we are going to talk about today. Firstly is the overview of the roadmap, including the new products, solutions, and some improvements of present products. And then we may focus on the detail of these new products, solutions, based on various products. At the end, we are going to share with you some new products in our season 2. Alright, so now let's have a glance over the whole roadmap. So we know sensing insight has always been a global topic as a development of relevant technology. It ranges from different aspects. So we are working hard to initiate reliable, fruitful, flexible products and services for various industries. So to match the global environment and energy trends, we get an environmental friendly product, LTE Ink Display, to stimulate paperless applications, and power-saving product UR41. It is a tiny mighty router, especially for embedded applications. So when it comes to the mini size, we always hope to break through the limitation of size and let the products fit into more possible scenarios. So our smart field level monitoring sensor emerged. It gets the real-time remaining saturation of some resources. Besides, we will develop a completely wireless water leak detection as well. What's more, Milesight has always been dedicated to providing a professional product to satisfy the target market. So that's why the Em400 Series comes to the stage. They work for distance detection. While working hard on developing new products, we try our best to make our present products more and more capable as well. So our gateway will comply with the BACnet to realize integration with some useful systems, and the data integrity of products will be strengthened too. Of course, we also provide 3 typical solutions for you. They are environment sensing solution, smart restroom solution, and energy efficiency solution. So to make our digital sensing more powerful, we want to be limited to environmental sensing. So we do an innovation in sensor application by making a breakthrough in vision sensing. In a word, sensing insight is and will be always a typical subject for the word. And then we will working on it. So now let's see the new products one by one. So the first product is our LTE Ink Display. We know that e-ink display are getting more and more popular these years because it can help us to stimulate the paperless application. We also want to do something for that, right? So our products are not only work effectively with high technology, but also environmental friendly. And let's see where can we apply this product in. How to say that? If you can use this product to show the information, the appointment information in the workstation, or you can show the patient's information in hospital bed, the classroom brand in the school, or whatever. Yes, help you to show the information. And now let's see more details about this product. Alright, so look at the samples there. There are two models, right? So as you can see, all the informations are shown in black, white, and red. Only with these three colors, you can emphasize the critical information and with low power consuming. Besides, we also want to provide a very best user experience so that users, you can preset the customized templates to show the information and needed with very high flexibility. Or if you want a quick deployment, actually we also preset it two initial models for you, so you can just apply it, deploy it directly. It's quite time saving. And besides, we also can help you to rearrange, redefine the display mode of this device. So you can do that by rearranging the 50 widgets, including your text, your logo, and QR code, and so on. So that is for this product. And besides, for this product, we support the local and remote control. How can we realize that? Let me tell you. So for the local control, it's very easy. You can just revise the content of the widgets. I've told you, right? So with the to rearrange these widgets, and then you can do that with through NFC and with our Toolbox app. And then just do the configuration. It is quite easy. And then for remote control, of course, we base on LoRa transmission. You only need to send a downlink from the gateway built-in network server and then to realize configuration. And that's it, easy, right? So for this product, as you can see in the sample there, actually we still equip with a functional button. So it can apply it for you for different needs. Like it can help us to do the alarming or some other needed signals. It can show the signals. So all these features make this product smarter. All right, so that is our first product. And then let's go for the second one. The second one, okay, actually, let's start from the second one. It's gonna be a series. And why is a series? I'm going to tell you. You know what? To become a professional company, Milesight was always working hard on professionalism. It's not only for a single product, but for a series of products. So that is why here comes our Em400 series. For this product, they are featured with specialization, accuracy, and great sense adaptability for both indoor and outdoor distance detecting. Now let me introduce it one by one. So the first one gonna be our Em400 TLD top laser distance sensor. So for this product, of course, for distance detecting, and then it combined with a new sensing technology, ToF. But what is ToF? We're going to discuss about it later, okay? Now let's see where can we apply this product in. Mostly, this product will used to monitor the overflow of the trash bin in the shopping mall or campus. And of course, it also can use to monitor the occupancy status of the parking lot. And for the trash bin, actually it's the very used scenarios. So for this very often used scenarios, we preset a mode, trash bin mode for you. You can just deploy it directly for your time saving. Yes, so that is for this product. And now let's see more details about this product. As you can see, like this product, I've told you, right, is combined with a new sensing technology, ToF. And with the ToF, what can we realize? So with this new sensing technology, actually the detecting accuracy can reach a really high level. So the sensor will have almost no blind spot. And the viewing angle, the small viewing angle, will be less susceptible to the surroundings. That is quite great. That is the advantages of the new sensing technology ToF. And then besides that, we know that it's for distance detecting, right? So except for a distance sensor, it actually has a built-in temperature sensor, which can help us to detecting the environment's temperature. So it can avoid some spontaneous combustions. And of course, there is a 3-axis accelerometer and to help us to detecting the gesture of the device. So all of these things, and then besides, for this product, it also support up to 10 years battery life, and the support for NFC configuration also complied with our Milesight IoT cloud. So the management and the maintenance of these products will be easier and very cost effectively. So all these things make this product more competitive. That is the first product of our Em400 series. Alright, so now let's see the second one. It is the Em400 MUD. It's a multifunctional ultrasonic distance sensor. So for this product, actually is a totally an upgraded devices based on our Em400 UDL. It works more effectively on particular applications. And it is remarkable, you can see there, it is remarkable that it has 3 typical modes, display mode. One is for the standard mode, of course, and then for a trash bin mode and the parking lot mode. So you can just pick what you want. Yes, so just like according to your different applications, different needs, and then you just deploy it directly. All right, and then let's see more about this product. Look at the picture. You can see from the appearance, this product actually has a more compact outlook and structure. And for this outlook and structure actually can make it more robust and then to achieve a better LoRa signal. That's it. And of course, the same as Em400 TLD, except for an ultrasonic sensor, it also get a temperature sensor, a built-in temperature sensor, and a 3-axis accelerometer sensor. So for this, they can have multiple detecting. Yeah, so that is what we set for that. And of course, it supports up to 10 years battery life and then complied with our IoT cloud. So everything, the cost of your management, of your deployment will be low. Yes, very cost effectively. So that is for our second product of this series, Em400 MUD. And then let's go for the last product of this series, is our Em400 UDL. So it's an ultrasonic distance sensor. For this product, we know that for different applications, actually they require different props with different accuracy level and different detecting ranges, right? And think about that. If you can find what you need just from one series instead of searching and checking from different devices, isn't it great? So our Em400 UDL is such kind of product, including different subtypes of our props. So it works for normal distance detecting, wide range detecting, and even especially work for snow level detecting. Yeah, so it's quite easy. You don't have to think about to check from different devices. You can just choose this product, all right? And also, besides that, you know what? We also take installation into consideration. So how can we fix this product? You can just fix the device with the screws. You can see it from the picture with the screws, and then everything done. So that is a product that is quite universal but powerful product. That is for our Em400 UDL. So that's all for our Em400 series product. And now let's go for 2 products. They are mini-sized. Let's have a look. Yeah, the first one is our WS201. We know that the size of the products always affect a lot while deciding which scenarios they can be used in. So there are a lot of applications for the mini size product, for the wireless product. Why? Because they can deploy it easily. So our WS201 Smart Field Level Monitoring Sensor is such kind of product. It's ultra thin, quite small, mini, and then it can fit into different containers. Yes, it is for detecting the field level of a container, and then they can fit into different scenarios. Alright, so it can to help us, we have mentioned it can help us to detecting the field level of the container, such as the toilet paper dispenser or the printing paper boxes. Yeah, and because of its mini size, so it's very easy to be installed for this product. And then, like for this product also very low power consuming. So once you have installed it, you don't have to change the batteries a lot. Yeah, time saving, power saving, great. And then to provide a very best user experience, we also support a multiple report mode. So you can you can decide what you preferred, and all the parameters will be adjusted automatically. Yeah, so everything is just show you very directly, and you can see the reports directly. It is quite an useful and a very user-friendly product. That is for the first mini product. And then let's go for the second one. It is a mini leak detection sensor. Yes, it's our feature WS303. And for this product, as you can see, it's quite tiny, but it's mighty. It has a very compact outlook. You can look at the picture, compact outlook, but it can adopt IP67 with very high protection. You can put wherever you want to detect the water leak situation, such as the computer rooms, file storage rooms, or the museums, right? So it can help you to detecting the water leak detection. Yeah, to detecting this. And then besides that, for this product, it also can help us to. It also support our Milesight D2D. Yes, it's our Milesight D2D protocol, so that it can link with other products, and then to prevent some danger things, danger situations. I'm going to show you an example, like if you connect it with our Milesight smart socket, and then once there is a leakage, it will just turn off the power immediately, so we can avoid some unnecessary losses. And of course, how it realizes alarming? Actually, for this product, it alarming via the buzzer or an uplink data packets, and then to realize a local and remote control. So that is for this mini size, our WS303. And then let's go for our last new product. It's our UR41. It is a mini industrial router. So for the router, actually it designed especially for 4G connectivity with very high performance and very rich industrial interfaces. So for this, as you can see from the name, like it's a mini size one, so it can work very well in some embedded applications. Like you can apply it in the game controller or the coffee machine. Yes, and then can also provide you very standard the internet speed. It is quite great and quite useful. Of course, for this product, as you can see in the picture, it also plus an external extensible cellular antenna. Yes, for this is outlook. And then we tell you that it's a mini size one, right? We already showed in the name how many it is. It's less than half of the iPhone 13. Less than that. So it is quite many. And then besides that, for this product, also has a very low power consuming compared with the standard router UR32. So why? How you realize that? Let's see. Firstly, from the hardware part. So because the hardware of UR41 has a lower power consuming than UR32. And besides that, for the software function part, we have a wonderful design for that because we have a standby mode. What does standby mode mean? It means that the rotor will only work when needed and asked for. At the other time, they will stay in standby mode, so that with that we can realize a very low power consuming. Yeah, and also of course it can help us to realize, like, to elevate the pressure of the energy crisis, right? So that is all for our new products, our 7 products for our Em400 series and for our rotor, and at the very beginning for our ink display. And now that's so. Besides new products, there are 3 upgrade news in season 1. First one will be the gateway. The gateway are compliant with BACnet. We said a cable product usually has high compatibility, so they can be used in multiple applications and then enable the whole system. Having gateways being compliant with BACnet is what we do for that. By doing so, the users are not only able to monitor and collect data limited on LoRa network, but will have a high integration system that connects LoRa and BACnet platforms, no matter for uplink data collection or downlink control. So we have already realized this upgrade for UG65, UG67, and we'll do that for UG56 in season 1. Therefore, our customers will be able to best use the flexibility and rapid build-out potential of LoRaWAN in the context of an existing BACnet-based installation. And the second part is about Em400. So it is a cost-effective but satisfy the requirements product. The first upgrade part is that about the display mode. We enlarge the font size of carbon dioxide to show the critical value more clearly, so the users will be able to see the value from a distance. What's more, Em400 will be set with an ultra power saving mode by allowing setting the sleeping time of the device, so it will work on a necessary period. Most important, Em400 allows data storage with up to 2,000 data records and supports data retrievability and data retransmission in case of disconnecting situations. And actually, we are upgrading present sensors step by step with data storage, data retrievability, and data retransmission functions. And we have realized on many products such as Em103, yes, and LTE series, and Em400 series, and so on. So we will do more in the following period. So the data integrity will be guaranteed a lot. And then we also provide you 3 very typical solutions. Let's have a look. So the first one is environmental sensing solutions. For environmental sensing, is becoming an important sector around the world. So sensors are being employed to monitor environmental conditions, highlight trends, and help to develop reports for policymakers and support policy goals. So by collecting information, we can better understand how we impact the environment and how the environment impacts us. We also can take actions and to do some improvements. Maybe we can take the workspace environmental sensing as an example. It is able to realize indoor air quality around us with the help of IAQ sensors, which matters a lot to our health. And we are also allowed to optimize the space utilization with the occupancy and people counting sensors as well as displaying devices, which matters a lot to our company. And we try to provide a more and more comprehensive solution by covering more details, such as coming product workstation occupancy sensor. Based on real-time monitoring, something meaningful works out, such as resources saving, energy saving, low managed cost. So from this solution, we can say a comprehensive environmental sensing system will benefit us a lot. So that is about our environment sensing solution. And now let's go for the second part, is our Milesight Smart Restroom solution. So for this part, we know that Restroom especially for public restrooms, always face criticism about the smell, the hygiene status, and the lack of paper towels and etc. So people are plagued with that, but have difficulty in fixing those problems because of the limitation of human resources and the massive numbers. So that's why we need a smart way to solve that. Milesight Smart Restroom solution has realized integrated management with plenty of mighty hardware and software, which is covering almost every aspect of a restroom. So through that, we can manage our human resources, we can consider about the air quality problem, the occupancy standards, and the resources consumption, even the environment cleanliness and safety problems. So with the help of a wireless end-to-end solution, the managers can obtain the status of the restroom and manage it effectively and efficiently through data visualization, periodic report, smart control, and reasonable distribution. So all of this not only save energy and resources from the cost perspective, but most importantly, it can improve the experience for both users and clean staff in restrooms. Of course, especially for the public restrooms. So in short, Milesight introduced big data to analyze the restroom situation and to fine-tune manual allocation and fundamentally correct uneven work distribution. So LoRaWAN wireless communication technology in conjunction with various of Sensing Insight products can bring us a healthier and safer environment. And then let's go for our third solution is our energy efficiency. So for energy efficiency, we know that the projections made by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in August 2021 so indicate that the average global temperature may rise more than 1.5 degrees, but as early as 2030. So the result would be weather events more extremely than we have ever experienced before, such as drought, heat waves, heavy rains, floods, landslides, and many more. Therefore, taking actions to elevate such kind of crisis is the responsibility for all of us. And with our mighty product, we may do something for that to improve this kind of situation. For example, the electric vehicles are important parts of meeting global goal on climate change. So with the help of our Milesight routers, such as UR41, which are mini-sized but provide speedy and stable connection of 4G and 5G, so the charging station platform of electric vehicles can be monitored and managed remotely and effectively, so that stimulating the usage of electric vehicles, right? And then for our daily resources and energy usage, we also could do something to improve energy efficiency by reducing ghost rooms in the buildings. It can base on our occupancy standards monitoring products such as VS121 and VS132. So we could manage power consumption with the help of smart controllers. For example, scheduling HVAC and ventilation systems with the assistance of UC100, getting power parameters and doing bulk management with the help of smart light controllers and smart sockets. So to have efficiently remote control and leakage, Milesight D2D protocol will also help to realize communication between devices directly within 1 second. And the Milesight IoT Cloud would be a great management platform for you to do that. Anyway, what we can do are varies, and all we need to do is do it. So that's all the latest information about our new products and some improvements of present products and some typical solutions for you. So if you have anything you are interested in or any products you are interested in, feel free to tell us in the comments or contact us. Alright, and now for the time, I'm going to introduce some new products in Season 2 for you. Let's watch it together. So for this We also, in our season 2, we got some new projects for you, and you can have a look. One of them is the outdoor tracker. So this will be a sensor based on LoRaWAN technology, and it will work well for outdoor asset tracking in the region, such as livestock tracking on the farm, and with GNSS and IP67, this sensor can against some harsher environment, but provide accurate location information. Another new product is the workstation occupancy sensor, which can help you to complete the workspace solution very well by detecting the occupancy standards of each workstation, no matter the human object is dynamic or static. And the highlight of Season 2 will be our X series sensing camera. It will be a great breakthrough on vision sensing since it changes the network camera into vision sensor. So, which is quite unique idea, powered by the batteries and based on wireless communications. It overcomes the limitation of power supply, high cost, wild deployment of traditional networks camera. So by capturing and transmitting plenty of image information, it offers ultra-high possibilities for various scenarios analysis. So we will say this series will be the product with high openness but unlimited possibilities. So that's all for today, and then hope we can see you next time soon. Okay, bye!